What's up everyone and welcome to Redcraft. In this tutorial, we are going to create stationery mockups using Adobe Photoshop. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to stay connected. Let's get started. Let's create a new file by holding Ctrl-N. Select to Web. Set the width to 3543 pixels. Set the height to 2480 pixels. Uncheck the artboard. Set the resolution to 300, and click Create. Create a fill and choose solid color. Rename it to Background. Now create an A4 paper by selecting the rectangle tool. Click on the panel. Set the width by 4.43 inches. Height by 6.26 inches. Double-click on the layer. Check the pattern overlay and choose Gray Granite. Set the scale to 200. Set the blend mode by multiply. Set the opacity by 57 and click OK. Now, convert it to Smart Object. Now create a new A4 paper. Select the rectangle tool. Double-click on the layer. Tick the pattern overlay. Click OK. Convert it to Smart Object. Let's rename our layers. I will rename mine as A4 papers. Now let's continue and create the cards. Click the rectangle tool. Set the width by 1.897 inches. Height by 1.057 inches, click OK. Double-click on the layer. Tick the pattern overlay. Click OK. Duplicate the layer by holding Alt. Now convert it to Smart Object. Rename your layer. I will rename mine as Business Cards. Now let's create the invitation or mail. Click on the rectangle tool. Set the width by 4.423 inches. Height by 2.533 inches. Double-click on the layer. Tick the pattern overlay. Click OK. Convert to Smart Object. Now click on the layer of A4 paper. Import your file. Set your effect layer on top. Select Linear Burn. Now change the color depends on your background. We are going to select white in this one. Click Save. Now do it with the other layers. Let's import a new file. Set your effect layer on top, and select linear burn. Change the color to white. Click OK. Click Save. Now let's select the business card. Place your file. Set your effect layer on top, and select linear burn. Change the color to white. Click OK. Click Save. Now do it with the other card. Place your file. Set your effect layer on top. Select linear burn. Change the color to white. Click OK. And click Save. Now lastly the mail. Let's import your file. Set your effect layer on top, and select linear burn. Change the color to white. Click OK and save. Now let's create the layer effect. Double-click on the layer. Take Bevel and Emboss. Select Inner Bevel. Set the depth by 8. Size and soften by 0. Set the highlight mode to gray and click OK. Now go to Drop Shadow. Set the color by dark gray and multiply. Set the opacity to 56. Distance by 9. Spread by 0. And size by 8. Click OK. Now copy the layer style and paste it with the other layers. Let's save it by Ctrl+S. Name it by branding or stationery. And click OK. Now you can set your background color depending on your theme. That's it, and thank you for watching this video. You can also download this preset, link on the description, or you can also support me on my Patreon to gain access with the premium mockup. This mockups consists of different scenes and backgrounds. Again guys, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe now to Redcraft for more tutorials. See you next time.